Am I the only one who has problems with USPS? This package was actually shipped at the same exact time from the same exact place as the other package. However, I got this one about a week later. This is another box of Sophia's wood bezels that she makes. And I'll link her YouTube channel down below so you can go see her using her wood bezels that she makes. And I'll link her Etsy store below so you can go and purchase the wood bezels that you like. So these mountain wood bezels are actually the ones that had me running to her Etsy store as soon as I saw her using them on her YouTube channel. And it looks like this box is even more stuffed full than the last box. Girl, you outdid yourself. Once again, thank you so much. Although it's winter, tell that to the stores around here. Everything looks like spring inside. But all of our mountaintops are just covered with snow, as they should be. It's winter and it's February now. February is what we call our snow month in Maine because although January is sort of the thick of winter, but it's actually February where we get most of our snow. Like last time, it looks like she sent me a variety of different ones, all of these being in the mountain theme, which I completely dig, obviously. And if you've watched any of my other videos, you know that I'm going nuts over those teeny tiny ones for sure. I'm dying to put some teeny tiny things into them. So which ones are catching your eye and what would you do with them?